The spaghetti cheese tacos. Fresh breadcrumbs, milk, 1 baby chicken, quack, 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 quack. Chopped parsley, chopped basil, salt, a heavy crack of pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, magic powder, and that's your paste. Minced beef, a lovely paste. It's just as cold as her heart. Now pound that meat. Now roll that into average sized balls. Aha! Some non-flavored olive oil. In goes our balls. You have not seen brown balls like this. Yeehaw! Bring a pot of ocean water to a boil. In goes the pasta. As the pasta is getting ready, let's make some sauce for them balls. Lube it with just a touch of flavored olive oil, sliced garlic, crushed tomatoes, add a bit of oregano, just a light pinch of chili flakes, season with salt and pepper, a small squeeze of tomato paste. If you use the tomato can and you're gonna add water, you have to do this. The balls go back inside and bring that to a gentle bubble. At this point, we're just going with the flow. Shredded cheese, just let it heat up very slowly. Whoa. Oh no, it's stuck. Fuck, it's stuck. Oh yeah. It just smells so good, but let that hang around until it's firm. I mean, look at this. This is a work of art. This is a work of art. Where? Holy balls! You know, it's got a bus in it. We all love the curly, but this, we just made